RWD is a system independently developed by United Winners Laser Company, Limited, for real-time monitoring of the quality of the welding process. RWD can detect welding penetration online in real time. It can realize the industrial application of FD-OCT and is suitable for deep penetration welding. RWD can simultaneously detect welding depth, workpiece height, and post-weld surface flatness. RWD has the following strengths. First, with strong anti-interference capability, it will not affected by emissions during the welding process. Second, sampling frequency 250 kHz. Third, axial resolution less than 20 micrometers. Fourth, dynamic range 60 decibel. Fifth, real-time processing of penetration signals. Sixth, the detection range is 12 mm, which meets most welding depth requirements. Seventh, simultaneous detection of welding penetration, post-weld surface flatness and workpiece height.